gonna take the right lace, put it in the X, grab both, and tie down.
Okay, so the next step is to make a bunny ear and then tie one of the laces around and pull it through.
If it keeps coming undone, what you can do is double knot it. By double knotting, since you have your two bunny ears here, since Isaiah just taught you how to tie them, you're gonna take both of them, cross them, and then put the right one in through the left one, and then you're gonna wanna pull. The my laces are a little too short for this, but there you go. That's your dog. Thank you for listening to How to Tie Your Shoe with me and Isaiah.